Final nights, rain and light, carry me through quiet time. Final nights, hold me close, soft and slow, soft and slow.
What if I told you that I made this music, right here, without touching a single instrument, without knowing a single music theory term? That track you are hearing? I generated it in about 15 seconds. Literally, I typed a few words, clicked a button, and got a studio quality song, completely royalty free. Today I'm giving you a full walkthrough of how you can create one for you, and by the end of this video, you'll see exactly how anyone can start making professional tracks with zero experience. So, now without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. The tool I am talking about is TAD AI. Before we jump into creating, let me quickly tell you what TAD AI actually is, because it's more than just a music generator. TAD AI is an all-in-one AI-powered music studio. Think of it as your personal producer, vocalist, and sound engineer, all packed into one tool you can access from your browser. Here's what you can do inside TAD AI. Generate full songs using simple text prompts, remove vocals from any track, perfect for karaoke or remixes, create AI covers, reimagine songs with fresh AI voices and generate high-quality voiceovers using the text-to-speech tool. Basically, it covers the entire music creation pipeline, from first idea to finished track. Now, signing up is free. You get 21 free credits when you register, which is roughly 2 free songs. I'll drop the link in the description and pin it in the comments so you can follow along. Alright, let's start creating. The first feature I want to show you is AI music, and we are starting with Smart Mode. This is the easiest way to get started. All I have to do is type a prompt, basically describe the vibe, mood, or type of song I want, and TAD AI does the rest. I'm going to go with something soft and emotional first. A slow, lo-fi track, and hit generate. And look at that, it's already processing. This usually takes just a few seconds. Okay, listen to this.
Late lamp, a slow drip on glass. Final breathing in the dark. Midnight notes fold across my paper. Pencil taps a steady heart. Piano drifts like a distant street light. Guitar hums where old nights start. Steam on the window draws soft circles. The city sighs beneath the rain. Slow the pages, slow the thinking. Let the room unlearn the day.
That's genuinely beautiful. I didn't write a single note. I didn't pick a BPM or a key. I just described what I wanted, and TAD AI delivered. Now here's where it gets really powerful, custom mode. This is where you have full control. You can write your own lyrics, pick the musical style, choose the mood, and tweak advanced settings. This is the mode professional creators and songwriters will love. I'm going to create something with more energy this time. A dynamic, high-energy track, think action scene, gaming montage, or pump-up playlist. And I'm writing these lyrics in English, and there is a huge plus that TAD AI supports multiple languages. If you are making content for a local audience, this makes your videos feel so much more personal and real. Now in the style section, I added a style I want in my song, and I selected mood of the song. Now let's hit enter, and there it is.
Lights up, hearts racing, here we go. No fear, no hesitation, watch me grow. Step into the arena, mind is locked in. Every move calculated, this is where I win. Pressure on my shoulders, but I carry the weight. Born for this moment, I refuse to wait. Feel the pulse rising, energy's alive. Nothing's gonna stop me, I'm built to survive. Run it, we don't stop tonight. Push it to the limit till we touch.
To completely different songs, to completely different energies. One soft, one dynamic. Both made in under a minute each. This is what TAD AI can do. Now the second feature I want to show you is AI cover. This one is brand new, and it genuinely surprised me. TAD AI just updated their AI cover feature, and they added something I've never seen in any other tool. You can now paste a direct video link from YouTube, for example, and TAD AI will extract the audio from that video and use it as a reference for your AI cover. No downloading, no converting, no extra steps. You paste the link, it pulls the audio, and then you can reimagine that song with a completely new AI voice. And this opens up a huge world of creative possibilities, all inside one tool. One important note: always make sure you are using original content or tracks you have permission to work with. TAD AI is a creative tool, and like any powerful tool, use it responsibly. Alright, it is one of the newest features on TAD AI, and it's honestly one of my favorites. The vocal remover. Here's the use case. Say you have a track, maybe something you generated or a copyright-safe song you're working with, and you want just the instrumental, or just the a cappella vocals. This tool separates them with one click. I'm uploading a track now, and all I do is click to extract. And then here is our result. Hear that? Pure instrumental, no vocals at all. And here's the vocal layer by itself.
Midnight notes fold across my paper. Pencil taps a steady heart. Piano drifts like a distant streetlight.
The last feature I want to walk you through is the text-to-speech tool, and if you are a video creator, this one should have your full attention. This isn't the robotic, lifeless text-to-speech you are used to. TAD AI's voiceover tool produces hyper-realistic voices. You can control the language, the speaker, the tone, and even the stability of the voice. I'm going to generate a voiceover right now, something you might use for a video intro. Now let's set the language. And voice selected, then stability adjusted. And here is the result.
Welcome back. Today we are diving into the future of music. And it sounds better than you think.
Tell me that doesn't sound real? That is AI generated. If I put that over a video without telling anyone, nobody would know. Alright, before I wrap up, let me talk about pricing, because I know that's what a lot of you are thinking about. Here's the good news. TAD AI has a free tier. When you sign up, you get 21 free credits. That's roughly 2 full songs to try out before spending a single cent. And if you decide you love it, which, based on everything I just showed you, you probably will, the paid plans are genuinely affordable. The yearly pro plan is the best value. You get 20% off compared to monthly, and the cost breaks down to as little 12 cents per song. That's less than a candy bar for a studio quality, royalty-free track. They also offer flexible credit-based plans, so you're not locked into anything you don't need. You can scale up or down based on how much you are creating. I'll drop the full pricing page in the description. The link is right below this video, and it's also in the pinned comment. Go check it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.